Hi, my name is Mark. I'd like to show you around our Mercedes Sprinter 313 medium wheelbase fridge van. This is a 2016 model, has had one owner from new and comes with a spare key. Now, as you can see, you can finance our fridge van for as little as £59 per week. Showing you into the front of the cab, you can see it's extremely in good condition. It's been very well looked after. No signs of any rips or tears in the seats. Now it has the overnight charge system on it, and also the refrigeration unit is made by Thermo King. This does benefit from having parking sensors. And as you can see inside, we've got a Thermo King unit there, and we've got a further unit up the top here as well. Very good size, very clean and tidy. Now, what's good about this conversion, we got a great side access door, certainly of a good size. There we go, and you can see better from this angle refrigeration units and the overall condition inside. There we go, and then we've got the controller. Time to take a look inside the engine bay of our Mercedes Sprinter medium wheelbase fridge van. Showing you down into the engine bay, lovely clean and tidy. The level here is at the correct mark where it needs to be. There's no signs of any oil leaks. It's a fine example of the Mercedes Sprinter vehicle, and once again the level here is at the correct mark at where it needs to be. Right, so now on to the final part of the video appraisal on the road test of our Mercedes Sprinter medium wheelbase fridge van, where I'm going to be demonstrating for you today in the video the gears, the steering and the brakes. But firstly, let me get the engine started up. There we go. As you can see, it started up straight away with no dashboard warning lights on, and there's no unusual noises coming from the engine. So part of the video appraisal and the road test today is to get up to 60 miles an hour here on the bypass, so I can demonstrate to you the gears, the steering and the brakes, and talk about any features that this fridge van has. Now, if anybody's driven a Mercedes Sprinter, you know how well that these drive and how lovely the gearboxes are, as I'm demonstrating for you right now. Now also, this does come complete with, there we go, straight up into 6th gear. We got electric windows, we got a Bluetooth media system with steering wheel controls, it's got cruise control, and it's got electric mirrors as well. So it is fully loaded. Take my hands off the steering wheel, it's sitting there in an absolute straight line. And I'm just going to give the steering wheel a bit of a shake. Steering on these once again is as good as they drive as well. Amazing. Now I'll approach the roundabout. I'm just going to be testing out and demonstrating the brakes for you. So now braking. Take the hands off the steering wheel. There we go. As you can see, that there's no juddering and there's no pulling. And that is the final part of the video appraisal and the road test of our Mercedes Sprinter medium wheelbase fridge van. Thank you very much for watching this video.